to remove it. Okay, so Intermatic Timer. To change the timer mechanism, first turn the power off, make sure it's completely off, then remove the lower panel. That will expose the wires. And then there is a locking clip on the top of the mechanism. Usually you have a dual timer, one on each side, but this one is but press that in and pull up and it will free the timer, and you can pull it out to remove it. You got one screw here which takes off that cover, and we'll give you access to the wires. So simple as that. You can see here inside the door there's 2 levels of pins, and that's where this bottom portion fits into. And when you stick it back in, the metal part will go on top, in front of one and behind the other, and then snaps back into place. Hope that helps.